In this video, I'll show you how to install Borsuk Trainer in a GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition on PC. Check my video description for this mod link. Double click on Setup and select More Info and select Run Anyway option. Select Yes option and select Accept and select Next. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Copy this file path and then minimize this. Paste the path we copied and select Next and select Next and install. Once installation done, select Finish. Right click on Version and select Vendor and select Open with Vendor. Open the game folder. Right click and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this version in here. Replace file the destination. And now go back and open this trainer update and reload this Win64. Open the Clio. Drag and drop this trainer inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F2 to open up this trainer. Use the down arrow and up arrow, choose the option. Press enter to select option. Press the backspace key to get back. Go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner. Using the right arrow key, you can choose the car. Once you choose the car, press spacebar to select the car and you will instantly drive in. And that's how the trainer works. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.